Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use shape mask in Adobe After Effects. So just let's get started and see how you can apply. We are actually going to make this animation in this tutorial. Just text revealed by the mask of any color that we are going to make in this tutorial. So just let's get started, and firstly just start with a new composition of resolution 720p. Just create a composition and select the text tool and write some text. I'm writing a bird actually animation, and align in the center using alignment tool. And here one instruction showing, please turn on the caps lock so that it can refresh in real time. For creating the mask, just select the rectangle tool and just click and drag on the area you want to mask, and make sure keep the stroke 0 and fill any color which you want. So I'm going for red, I think, or green will be much better, so I think I'm going for green so that you can view better. And just right click and click on the make new mask, and it will just create a new layer of shape layer, and inside the shape layer you will see the mask layer. And here make sure you check add, and after to now do some keyframing. For that, so just at 0 at 2 seconds, just I'm going to reveal the whole text, and t = 0 it will going to cover the whole text. So at 2 seconds it will just going from 100 to 0, so that it will reveal at some speed. And after that you can select both the keyframe and do the edges. Just right click and edges, and just go to graphical representation. Here you can see in the left lower corner, and you can see after clicking that icon it will actually keyframe will show as a graph, and speed graph it will show as a speed graph. And just you can change here the speed of mask, revealing, or position of a speed where you want to faster and where you want to slower. So you can adjust so you just have to adjust the handle of the keyframe, and it will show like this. And you can modify and according to your personal preferences. So I think it's done here, and just I'm going to render it. So go to export and add to render queue. And I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and if you feel so, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you.